Let's see the 7-Eleven. Yan o, ang ganda. Walang laban ng Pilipinas dito, may sa kagandahan dito. Wala, very ikumpara mo naman yung ano sa atin, yung pangalan to, Chinatown. Wow. Oh yeah. Oh, gusto magtingin? Okay. Yeah, let's look around. Wow. Kung wala kang bibilhin dito, may ano lang tayo? No, yeah. 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven. 1, 2, 3. Cafe Select. You know, galing tayo dito sa Oxo. Ano? 7-Eleven. Ayan, wow, ito pala 7-Eleven nila, no? Chips. What ang chips? Cheetos. Dalawang kunin natin dahil may 100 tayo eh.
100 ba yung
Yeah, Oh. Kumuha ka pa ng isa. 49. 49, so we need one more. Kumuha ka ng chips mo eh. Yeah. 100 to eh. The 49, so we need magtingin ka ng chips mo. Tingin na, ang dami chips oh. This one, huh? May peanuts, oh. You're looking for peanuts? Mura o kumuha kang dalawa? Oh, macadamia, oh. What's this? That's not. Kuha kang peanuts. Peanuts. Golden nuts. Yan. Yan, oh. $29 golden nuts. Kuha na. No, may mani. Dalawang kunin ko dahil may mani eh. I like that. Is it hot? Hot? No, no hot.
Spicy? No.
No spicy, yeah? No. Oh, yeah, okay. Me, no spicy, yeah. Let's go. Oh, this one is spicy. Ah, okay, okay, good. This is good, yeah. Spicy. No spicy, yeah. Nuts, yeah, okay, good. How much? 23. 29. Tama, kasya. Yeah, okay. So 23, 29. This is 29.
Ano kung meron pa kang bilog na...
Oh, yeah. Ano ba? Yeah, I have Coca-Cola already. What about candy? No? No candy? Okay, ready to pay. I am ready to pay for okay, how much? Yeah. No need a bag, I'll carry it, yeah.
No need?
No need, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, how much?
Says 101 pesos. $1.
Wow.
1 peso.
1 peso?
How much is it now?
How much? 101, so we need one.
Meron kang bilog dyan.